Hi everybody, back here EMD Automotive. Just finished the rebuild on the actual CIS system. The rebuild's been done. So the fuel head's been done, the airflow meter has been checked and balanced. Adjusted, recalibrated, sorry, not balanced. I'm just putting it back together now. I cleaned the airflow sensor there, it's all clean. And I've got a new gasket as well. I've got a new gasket underneath there. Here, that's a new gasket. Cleaned everything back together, assembled that, and put in new fittings. I've got the warm-up regulator here. Been rebuilt already as well. So yeah, I'm gonna clean that up. I wanna clean the throttle body as well. And come into the engine bay. I've got to take all the emission stuff off and block it off. And you see on the side of the airbox, put silicone there because there was slight leaks from before when I done the the smoke test. So 911 SC. I done the alternators a few weeks back, last year I think, and then I'm gonna replace I'm gonna put it back together now, and then tune the CO, and then I'll go from there. So it's a quick video it's before, and part 2 will be after. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.